Alright guys, figured I'd get a quick video of this. This is after the storm damage here. I got everything all cleaned up. A buddy of mine come and got all the firewood out of these trees that were laid across here. And I took the stumps out. You can see there. There's two, and I think I put two small ones up there in that stack. But anyhow, here's just kind of an after view of it. You're going to be looking into the sun going this way, so I don't know how it'll work. Or look, for that matter, but right about there is where the Yanmar picture was, where the backhoe's up there atop the stump. But yeah, figured I'd get down here and grade this off a little bit. It's actually frozen today, so you can actually walk or drive down through here. Normally it's fairly wet right here. Actually, while we were cutting the firewood, I sunk the Yanmar in there up and about halfway up the rear tire here. So figured I'd come down and get this while it's still frozen a little bit, and yeah, that'll pretty much be it, guys. I got a few little pictures of what I did along the way, but I didn't take any video or anything. It was just, I mean, it was 2 days worth of me cutting, sawing, lifting, moving, trying to get unstuck. Well, it was fairly warm out, and then, you know, the bottom fell out after that. This year, actually that was last year. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll show you guys how many hours running Yanmar. I think I had 242 on it the other day. So 242.8, almost 243 now. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see everybody later.